Hi guys, today we guys, I am really tired right now because guess what? I didn't sleep tonight, and yeah, I've been making. I was making a couple videos on my webcam, and I didn't post them to YouTube because they had no audio. I tried to post one, which was cringe stomach growl part 2, but that one didn't have audio, so I have to start it all over again. So, let's just look for videos of this stupid, cringy, stomach growl stuff. So, let's just look up, let's first look up Siren's stomach, of course. So we watched Helping Gotcha's Stomach Growl. Well, we watched hashtag Helping Gotcha's Stomach Growl. Welcome to my channel. We watched that, and we also watched One Hungry Growl, and also we didn't watch anything else on this channel, but we need more videos to watch, such as Tummy Trouble, Vor Warning, Nora Vor's SL, Hungry Tummy, and Nora's Belly Dance. First, let's do Tummy Trouble. This is the only one I'm going to do. So. Be right back. I'm back. Let's just watch some videos. So, let's watch Tummy Trouble. So, here we go. Watch this crazy, stupid video. So, let's watch it. So, let's do it. What the heck? Oh, look at Willie. Stupid girl that looks like a Smurf. Where? She looks like a Smurf. Watching Flamingo? You watch Flamingo, dude. You're in Gotcha. I don't think Gotcha people, I don't think Gotcha characters can watch TV. I don't even think they can watch YouTube. I don't even think they can watch Flamingo on YouTube. Okay. What is this girl? Oh, it's Nora. Hey, Nora, how you doing? You can't even keep your eyes open. Oh, look. The TV magically turned off. Looks like when Nora comes in while Willie's watching freaking Roblox videos, the TV magically turns off. Nora's telling the blue Smurf what she wants. What do you need, stupid Nora? You need a butthole. Can I help you? No. Never mind. What? It's your turn to go shopping for food. Oh, yeah, of course. Why? was the point? It's so stupid. I am alive. Now I get it. I'll go. Now I get it. I'll go. I'm a Smurf. Which is wants to die. But there's a stupid Nora girl. Looks like she wants to die. She looks like she wants to die. What is this? Where is she walking? Where is she gonna get? Is she gonna get a butthole? Maybe one of these green thingies. And what did she get? That's some kind of drink. Oh, Wackative tablets. For adult use only. Helps mild. 9-year-old, I can't even read. Drug facts on back. Ask your doctor and prescribed. Yeah, and that stuff says. What else? Anything else? Why don't I get Nora a little gift? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? You're gonna poison your sister. Is that Pepsi over there? Oh, Nora's sick. Nora's sitting on the couch. Okay. Why is this stuff even real? Why are these videos real? Continue. Shoot, and restart the video. You know what? What the heck is this? What is this? There's YouTube channels, Tummy Grumbles, whatever it is, like Japanese. The Vor guy, the new Area 99. What's the new Area 99? Oh, this is like Area 99 randomized. That Vor guy. Let's go back to the video. I say it so much. We'll start the video. I hate you. This is going so wrong, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm going to be posting this on YouTube. Oh my gosh. It's so cringy. Oh, she's eating food. I just skipped lots of parts. Where'd she go? Whatever. I hate you. Look at her face. Look at her face. That's the face of a child who wants to die. No, she's coming to the couch. She's gonna sleep. No? What's she doing? Now for full stomach, I can do some exercise. Continuing with the video. I hate this. Why? Just why? What's she doing? Oh, she's putting in headphones. I don't even hear music. It's supposed to be music. No, you have headphones. And you're supposed to have music, of yes. If you have headphones, then you're supposed to have music, of yes. Or just fashion. All regular. stuff. I hate this. Just stop already. Why is this so stupid? I'm skipping this. Just stop. Now. Just stop. Oh my god. It's the worst part of the video. Right, Willie's coming. The boy is Smurf. What do you need, Smurf? Having some tummy trouble, Nora? No, I'm not. Definitely not. I'm definitely not. What did you do? I did absolutely nothing. Wait. No, no, no. Dude, if I don't get... Gosh, she's coming through the screen. I gotta get off. I gotta get off, guys. I gotta get off. I gotta get off. She's coming. She's coming through the screen. Dude. If I don't get off the video, she's gonna come through the screen and what's to my stomach. Thank God. Almost like a whistle to her stomach. I don't want to do that. Definitely not. Well, that's... we're done with that, I guess. So, let's just watch some more cringy videos, such as Hungry Girl Stomach Growl. Okay, what can we actually watch? We already did FNAF Stomach Growl, such as Mangle Stomach Growling, Funtime Foxy Stomach Growling, Not Wilbit's Stomach Growling, Cindy's Stomach Growling, and Toy Chica's Stomach Growling, and Mangle Stomach Growling. Yeah. Now we can do Whittle's Pet Shops. Whittle's Pet Shops it's at the very end. We can do Whittle's Pet Shops, and we can also do My Little Pony. So yeah, let's do that. So this one's called Whittle's Pet Shops. Zoe Trent's Stomach Growling. There we go. Let's do it. Hold this crazy thing out. There we go. Do this. Watch this cringy thing.
Why aren't you gone? I said your name 3 times. Penny is your name,
Is
isn't it?
Why? Why? Why is this real?
Russell's right about that kibble.
What did she say? Brussels guy about kibble? Okay, I think I know what she said. I'll tell you what she said. This is what she said. Brussels right about that kibble. I think. Or Russell's bite of that kibble. I don't know, but I think this is what she said. She probably said this. I don't really know what she said, but we'll find out. But this is what I actually think that she said. This is the actual thing I think she said. So yeah, this is what she said. That's what she said. Of course. Of course that's what she said. Of course. So let's watch more, I guess. So go back to LPS.
Why aren't you gone? I said your name.
What is this? Pepper's Stomach Growling? request. Watch it. Power Pup. Go to Power Pup's channel. Subscribe to him. This is how the video is made. I'd love to see stomach ground videos for Penny, Lynn, and Pepper too. And then Hungry Girl Stomach Growl said, Power Pup 97. Oh, I'll do Pepper. Butt cheek face. What is this? What is this? Why? Why? What is this channel? This is the stupidest channel in the world. Oh my god. I hate it. I hate it so much. Just stop. Just stop already. I hate this. It's just so... Doesn't make sense. Why is this channel real? Gosh, I hate it. Freaking so stupid. So cringy. So stupid and cringy. Just stop already. It's so stupid. What is this? What is all this stuff I'm seeing? This one's not from Hungry Girl Stomach Growl, but it's called YTPMV Hungry Girl Stomach Growling Rainbow to Winnow, whatever that is. So let's watch it. What? What is that? Oh, it's 4 days ago? What is this? Is that all it is? Oh, thank gosh, it's not freaking stomach growling. I wish it wasn't. Which luckily it was. Where are all these videos? It went to cartoon. It went to cartoons all the way to actual freaking stuff. Actual people recording sounds of their... Oh, thank God, I found that. Girl Hungry Tummy. 4 weeks ago. It's 3 minutes long. It's probably the last one I'm gonna watch. Oh, it's a girl. Girl sleeping on her bed. Oh, she's getting up. Hi. What are you doing? Why? 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 Wait a bit, tummy. I'm gonna eat. Oh my God, I hate when people talk to their stomach. Hate it. So stupid. What is that? Why is black stuff right there? What's the black stuff? Is that a black hole? Oh, she's eating toast. Why is she eating toast? Oh, she's done. Where's she going? Why is that black hole again? Why did she duplicate herself? That makes sense. Oh, she has school now. Oh, high school, I guess. What is she doing? She's walking around the class. Oh, she's in her chair, her desk. Guys, I'm I don't know. I just don't know. Why is this real? Why is this channel even real? Why is it a thing? What is this channel? Girl stomach growling. Pretty cure stomach growling. What is this? 15 minutes long. What is it? Oh, it's characters from anime. And their stomach growling. Oh my god. What is this? Fumino's stomach growling? Bulma's stomach growling. Pola's stomach growling. Fu's stomach growling. Kana's stomach growling. Willie's stomach growling. Hanko's stomach growling. Why is all this anime stomach growling stuff on this weird channel? I'm freaking done, guys. Dude. What is this channel? Girl stomach growling 1? What is this? What is this? What is this? I'm done. Guys. I know you can't see me, but I have you guys in my hand now. Oh, no. I give every single one of those videos 0 out of 10. 1,000 a million trillion minus 900 million trillion %. Minus. That means I hate it. Hate it. Why? 1,000 trillion minus is not a big number. It's actually really small. Yep, I'm done. I'm done for now. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Probably will post a new video today, but that does it right now. So hopefully you enjoyed. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I gotta scream because I'm freaking cringing right now.